goes quietly through bone. A single note can lift the dust, restore the frame, and turn the loneliest heart into a home.
It rises from the wire of a trembling string, from silver breath and wood and pulse and bow.
It finds the cracked and folding places, makes them sing, and asks the dark what it is willing to allow.
Hear the arches open, hear the thunder bloom, 1,000 voices gathering the sky. Every broken silence making room, heavy weary wish learning how to fly. Oh, music, crown of the human soul. You carry the world where the shadows fall. You turn the fractured into hope. You answer the night with a shining call. Oh, music, holy and unbound. You teach the stones to remember life.
Where your great river pours around,
The world stands still, then lives tonight.
across the fields, through crowded streets and desert flames,
You wear 1,000 languages.
like gold in every tongue, the hungry and the brave proclaim.
The same Brian.
The ancient heart has told, a cello bends like grapefruit, cedar deep and slow, a horn like dawn above the sleeping sea, and in the choir the hidden million stars aglow, as if the earth itself were learning how to be.
Hear the arches open, hear the thunder bloom, 1,000 voices gathering the sky. Every broken silence making room, every witty wish learning how to fly. Oh, music, crown of the human soul. You carry the world where the shadows fall. You turn the fractured into whole. You answer the night with a shining call. Oh, music, holy and unbound. You teach the stones to remember life.
Where your great river pours on, the world stands still, then lives tonight. Let the violins climb like ivy on the tower. Let the timpani roll like distant storms at sea. We are not small when we surrender to this power. We are the echo of what we are meant to be.
Every loss becomes a legend in the air. Every name a star the dark cannot erase.
If the world is wounded, music needs a there place His mercy softly on its face.
Oh, music, crown of the human soul. You